HappyHappyGal is one of the most entertaining Fortnite streamers out there. I personally love her content and I watch it like a lot. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how she edits a short form content, because I'm sure some small streamers also love her content and would like to be editing like her and posting clips like her. She has 3 different things that she adds in her footage. That's sound effects, timing, and cuts. For sound effects, she usually has 1 or 2 sound effects in the clips.
My rivalry is somewhere in this POI. We always had the Northern Light. Oh baby, it's our bucket list. Aww.
So now we don't. For mostly the gaming content, there's always the suspense sound. There's always this pop sound when there are visuals popping up on the screen. She also has this sound that she usually uses just because I think it's because like it's a girl thing, you know, like girls waving their wand. I think that's the gist of it. For the second one is timing. Her editor adds zoom ins and zoom outs so that you can easily see her reaction. Like her face is blown out on the entire screen. This gives you a sense of like, look at her reaction. For the last one is cuts. There's barely any empty spaces in her footage. That means the footage is compact, the video is compact, and there's barely any silence within the video. It's happening like snap, snap, snap. What people usually call it is fast paced, but it doesn't feel fast paced. It's just little gaps in between her when she's speaking, commentary, and when also the game is happening. So it's just right in there. My take is that she's a really energetic person, and this means that there's not a lot of heavy lifting done on the editing side, but it's just already there. Like, person is already energetic, the editing just gives it an uplift. Yeah. In this next part of the video, I'm going to be editing one clip from her stream that she streamed with the Bond Peanut. I'm not sure if she's posted that clip, but I'm going to edit it for you guys and show you exactly the workflow, how it goes. So apparently I wasn't recording the whole entire thing, but all I did was cut it up into small different clips, so it's not one long thing apart from this one, which is really long. But the rest of the things are very tiny. That means it's just so compact that there are not that many gaps within the footage like we talked earlier. So it's very compact. Now we're just masking it out and just, you know, making it sizable for the short form content. And I wonder how his editor does this so fast, bro. It's crazy. Immediately her stream is done, the clip is out. Bruh, the sound effects. I might not be able to put all of them because there's just so many of them that she uses. No, she posted it. Wait, did she? Because I'm seeing peanut. No, she did. Oh, okay. No. Oh, I didn't think she posted this. I just randomly clipped it from my channel, then just got the footage. But anyways, proves that let's see if we can actually cook the same way like our editors cook. I didn't think that they posted the video. Now I'm like so in the phase where is it gonna be what am I missing? But I'll just this generally I think I've done it similarly. The only thing I'm going to talk about is like the text, how the text looks like, and then we'll be done. But it's close enough. I believe it's close enough. It's just maybe I missed the sound effects that they use. I don't really have enough sound effects in my arsenal. So they use the bounce. This helps you, like, makes it chop peanut. And then the font is tricky to find. It's just tricky to find fonts, bro. But I'm gonna use, oh no, Franklin. Yeah, it's closer to the Franklin Gothic. Get the stroke in, put in a shadow, and boom. Something like this. we're also gonna compare it with what the editors originally made. I think I came in close. I just haven't added enough sound effects. I also feel it in the clip that there's some sound effects that are missing. We did this in about 30 minutes. Pretty decent timing. I really commend the editors. They have the footage coming out immediately a stream ends, or even before the stream ends, which is really cool. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna export it and then we'll compare.
Peanut, come here. Use this thing and push him.
Got you, boss. Got you, boss. On it. Taking it now.
Yeah.
All right, skyline deployer. Deploy the skyline.
They're
weak.
All right, okay, all right, I'm going in. Ride.
We're riding. Ow!
Oh, they got me.
Ow! No!
Oh shoot, they got me too.
Well, that's good. You guys all died? What happened?
I may or may not have sacrificed Peanut. I'm gonna be 100% there.
Oh, so we're clip farming.
No.
Nah, got it.
That's
got
a
it,
familiar
got it.
item
It's
for
okay.
him. Like, it's new
Nah, I understand.
to Fortnite, and I thought he would understand how to work it. Peanut, come here. Use this thing and push him.
Got you, boss. On it. Taking it now. All right, skyline deployer. Deploy the skyline. Ride.
We're riding. Ow!
Oh, they got me.
Ow! No!
Oh shoot, they got me too.
That's good. That's good. You guys all died? What happened?
I may or may not have sacrificed Peanut. I'm gonna be 100% there.
Oh, so we're clip farming.
No.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. My skill has already increased tenfold. I'm back in the move. I'm back in the vibe.
Quick disclaimer, I'm not her editor. I've just been editing a lot of Fortnite clips for some of my clients, and HappyHappyGal has always been the reference that I've been given for the clips that they would want me to make for them. And yeah, but I don't mind joining the team. At the end of every week, I help 5 people edit their VOD clips for free, and I'll go through your entire VOD and then edit clips for you and then send them out for you. 5 different people. All you have to do is leave a comment of your Twitch channel name and what you stream, basically. That's my gift to you guys for watching this video all the way through. And if you're not a streamer and you're just a viewer, you just watch our content, thumbs up.